Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's date night. I'll get to that in a moment. Last night, the culinary expedition continued and we were in Jamaica. I prepared a wonderful, complex dish. It might not seem complex on the surface, but when you look at the recipe, it is complex. Jerk shrimp. Most people just buy the jerk seasoning blend. I have one. This one, you build it. Just like the other day when we built that curry in the pan. This one, the marinade is the jerk seasoning. You build it. Fast. I love cooking shrimp. It's fast. The rice took longer than the shrimp. Complex flavor, depth. It's just got a little ending of heat. It's not hot. It's not way up there. No, it's just got a nice little finish. Must try. All right, today is date night. Robin is coming over for dinner. I gave her about 7 choices, or she could pick whatever she wanted in my repertoire, which, as you know, is quite large. She chose my meatloaf. I'm doing box au gratin potato, which is fine. She wants this to be stress-free. And I'm going to be doing peas, my peas. All right, let's get to it. Got the hardware going? All right, my meatloaf consists of ground beef, ground pork, Ritz crackers. I might supplement some panko, an egg, diced onion, diced red bell pepper, of course, kosher salt, black pepper, Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. Most of the time I top my meatloaf off with a barbecue sauce. I'm going to use Arby's sauce. I have it. Why not? In the meatloaf is Mexican oregano, Mexican basil, thyme. I'll be using smoked paprika and garlic powder. So that's the meatloaf. Simple. Au gratin potatoes, water, milk, butter. Yeah. The peas, I'm using frozen peas. I'll dice up half a shallot, garlic, regular Mediterranean basil, and some veggie stock to give it some body in the liquid. So here's the goodies for tonight's date night. All right, on this Sunday, enjoy your Sunday dinner or date night or whatever that you always try to do on Sunday evening. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.